In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts in DocuSign. If you've ever needed to fix a recipient's name, update an email address, or add a company field before sending an envelope, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so your address book stays accurate. Start by heading to DocuSign and signing in. Once you're on the home dashboard, move to the top right corner and click your profile image. From that menu, choose My Preferences. This is where you manage all your personal settings, and it's also where the address book lives. On the left-hand side of the Preferences page, select Contacts. That opens your address book so you can see saved recipients. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to update. You can also sort by name or email to make scanning easier. Next, hover over or select the contact you want. Click the small down arrow next to their name to reveal actions. Choose View. Viewing is a safe way to confirm you've got the right person before you make changes, especially if you have multiple entries with similar names. Inside the contact details, click Edit. Now you can update fields like the full name, email address, and company. Take a moment to double-check spelling and accuracy. Typos in an email can prevent recipients from receiving documents, and an incorrect name can show up on signatures and certificates. If the contact is associated with frequent transactions, consider adding standardized formatting for the company name to keep your records consistent. When everything looks good, click Save. Your changes are applied immediately to your DocuSign address book, so the next time you add this recipient to an envelope, the updated information will autofill. If something doesn't seem to stick, refresh the page to confirm the update. And if you still can't edit, you may not have permission to change certain shared or synced contacts. Check with your account administrator in that case. That's all it takes. Go to My Preferences, open Contacts, select the contact, choose View, click Edit, make your updates, and hit Save. Keeping your contacts clean and current helps avoid bounced emails, reduces resend delays, and ensures your recipients see their correct details on every document they sign. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep your address book tidy by reviewing key contacts after major changes like name updates or domain switches, and you'll save time every time you send.